Are you struggling to adjust your DCGAN code to work with specific data sizes? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to increase the size of Deconv2D filters for a fixed data size. I understand how frustrating it can be when your code doesn't work as expected, especially when you're trying to adapt it for your unique data. Many developers face similar challenges when working with deep learning models. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user asked how to adjust the DCGAN code to work with 2x80 data samples. They want to change the generator filter sizes but are running into compatibility issues. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. The issue arises when trying to modify the filter sizes in the generator layers. The user is attempting to double the height of the filters, but this leads to a shape compatibility error. Understanding this error is crucial for finding a solution. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to fix this issue and get your DCGAN running smoothly. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to adjust the filter sizes in the generator layers. The user should modify the filter sizes to be 2 by the original sizes, which will help accommodate the new data dimensions. Next, the user should ensure that the strides and padding in the deconvolution layers are compatible with the new filter sizes. This is crucial to avoid shape mismatches during the model training. Now, the user must update the input dimensions for the generator. This means changing the input height and width parameters to match the new data shape of 2x80. Finally, the user should run the model again to check for any remaining errors. If the same shape error occurs, they may need to trace back through the layers to ensure all dimensions align correctly. Fun fact, did you know that the first neural networks were inspired by the way our brains work? Just like our brains, these models can sometimes get a little confused, especially with shapes. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests modifying the striding size in your Deconv filter. Specifically, you should change the header for Conv2D and Deconv2D functions to adjust the stride height and width. This adjustment helps avoid shape compatibility issues during backpropagation. Here's a pro tip. Always keep track of your tensor shapes when working with deep learning models. This habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your DCGAN should be ready to handle your 2x80 data samples. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on deep learning.